Holding the dog. Oh, you want? Let me do you next, cause you was ready.
Why are you holding it?
Yeah.
I should run my camera.
Okay.
Hold on, your hair.
Okay. Hold up, the light is this way. Turn around. Pretty little motherfucker, hope you looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay?
Fucking when I look at
Her
her
like,
like, okay, you used to be down bad, but now a bitch, okay.
All right, so my hair is all over the place because we was on that damn rooftop. The wind was blowing me, fucking me up. I look a mess. Damn, what the fuck? What the fuck is going on with my ponytail? Let me get myself right quick.
Better late than never. Better late than never. I done heard that song so many
I said, who's that? Adacia. Word, don't piss her off. Word, like. Liquor is liquor in.
It's licking.
It's
licking hard.
Liquor in.
I'm getting tired of this. That's Jerry. That's Uncle Jerry.
Whatever Trey had, that got me
I
feeling
took
good.
so much of fucking
Whatever Trey had, that.
liquor.
Oh God.
Besides that cracking shit. This is this.
Hold on, I didn't get that.
Oh, we can drop this nigga right now. Yeah, what's up? Straight line.
This boy right here was drunk as hell.
I ain't picked no goddamn eggs. That's the wrong one.
You're not gonna protect me.
I'm not trying to.
Yeah, I was trying to catch that violence right there.
Oh, you want to get?
She gonna get me.
Thank you.
I don't even know what's sexy.
This nigga sleep over here. Look at him. Knock the fuck out.
Cheese. Well, actually, hold on. It wasn't his turn. It was his turn. Remember?
I went.
Because he was paying.
Okay, so we left some flowers at the beach because we wanted to honor T and we weren't able to make it to her vigil. So this was a little makeshift vigil for ourselves. I just want to send love to the spiritual family right now, the spiritual community, because I know T made her mark in VA and she shined her light on a lot of people. And so I just want to send love to everybody that may be emotional right now and may need some uplifting. Just know that y'all all have someone, and I'm there for anybody that needs some support and some lifting, so you can reach out if you need to.
It's my third time recording this video. Welcome back. Okay, so haven't uploaded for like 2 weeks. Sorry about that. I am working on the consistency, guys. Bear with me, please. It's just stuff to record and all that good stuff. So if you have any ideas, drop some below. Thank you. That would be greatly appreciated. My flowers are still kind of alive from when we went to the beach, so that's lovely because I took some with me home so I could have some too. And yeah, life has not been much interesting lately. I'm not gonna lie, it's been life and I'm adulting, and adulting is not fun. Trying to figure this shit out, and we're getting somewhere, I think. Possibly. My nerves are so bad right now. Like, this might be my shortest video ever, but it's a video and it's better than nothing. So I don't feel like I have much to talk about today, and I don't want to bore you to death. So therefore, this will be the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys that stay tuned and, you know, tune into the videos or whatever. Much love. Like this video. Subscribe. And, yeah. Peace on your journeys, guys. Have a nice weekend.